As the sun begins its ascent, marking the dawn of a new day, let's embark on our journey, News Insight December 2023. Good morning everyone. So we are back again with exciting events happened in our school campus, DAV Police Public School, Kaithal. Firstly, Ananya will tell you about the AIDS Day organized for the awareness of the students.
Embracing the spirit of awareness, DAV Police Public School commemorated World AIDS Day with fervor and dedication. Our senior student took the stage delivering a powerful presentation shedding lights on importance of AIDS awareness. They compassionately shared insights into the harmful effect of the disease, ensuring the juniors were well informed and equipped to make informed choices. Together as a school community, we strive to break stigma and build a foundation of knowledge.
Now, Ikraman would like to tell you about the online workshop.
DAV Police Public School Kaithal conducted a dedicated online session through Google Meet and Zoom on adolescent health, addressing both girls and boys. The focus was on enlightening girls about the menstrual hygiene and to empower girls with their essential knowledge. The platform provided an inclusive space for open discussions, fostering a supportive environment for the participants to ask questions and share experiences. This initiative on social media reflected a positive step towards promoting awareness and education on crucial topics related to adolescent health.
Another story is about enriching an insightful session of cybersecurity by Karthik.
A session by cybersecurity awareness was recently organized by DAV Police Public School, Kaithal. Sub-Inspector Mr. Subransu, along with his dedicated team, conducted an insightful session aimed at raising awareness among the students about online fraud and importance of the security password. The session focused on empowering the students with crucial knowledge to navigate the digital world securely. Mr. Subransu and his team shared valuable insights, practical tips and real-life examples to help students to understand the potential risk associated with online activities. Our Honorable Principal, Ms. Anju Gambhir, extended her gratitude to the team for unwavering support and commitment for the safety for the students.
Now, I may ask Soumya to tell us about the engaging sessions about drug addiction and mobile addiction.
Mobile and drug addiction related program organized by Narayan Seva Sangh, Kaithal and DAV Police Public School. Various dignitaries arrived on behalf of Narayan Seva Sangh, Kaithal branch at DAV Police Public School, Kaithal. They made their powerful statement in which they cautioned children to avoid excessive use of mobiles. They mentioned in their speech that mobile phones have captured everyone from children to youth. We all should make least use of mobile phones. They tried to awaken children against both this addiction through some educative poems. All students listened to them keenly. On this occasion, our Honorable Principal, Mrs. Anju Gambhir, expressed her gratitude to the guests and said that we all must be determined in this regard by learning from the incidents happening daily.
Riddhi is now requested to tell us about the knowledge-boosting book fair held in our school.
We are thrilled to share that a fantastic book fair was organized at DAV Police Public School, Kaithal from December 8 to December 9, 2023. Students and parents alike immerse themselves in the world of literature, fantasy, fiction, science fiction, folktales, fairy tales, fables, etc. and exploring a diverse array of books. The air was filled by enthusiasm as book admirers found gems across various genres and the joy of reading spread throughout the school. It was heartening to witness both students and parents coming together to celebrate the magic of books. Our Honorable Principal Ma'am thanked to all who participated and contributing to making this event a success.
Pihu is seek to tell about the massive celebration of Mathematics Day held in our school premises.
Mathematics Day was celebrated with a great pleasure in DAV Police Public School, Kathal. In a vibrant celebration, students showcased their mathematical spirit through various activities, from Rangoli, Nukkad Natak, and a special birthday celebration in the honor of Ramanujan. The atmosphere was filled with enthusiasm. The creativity flowed in a form of shape song, and there was a fancy dress competition where the students embraced the world of numbers with their unique interpretations. The highlight of the day was incorporation of some mathematics into some unique arts with some special food items crafted to reflect some mathematical shapes. Honorable Principal Ma'am Mrs. Anju Gambhir took a moment to applaud the children for their efforts and hard work. It makes Mathematics Day a memorable and educational event.
Let's hear from Dikshant about homage paid to Swami Shraddhanand Ji, who had launched Hindu Reform Movement to introduce regeneration and reform of people.
The teaching of Swami Dayanand Saraswati, DAV Police Public School celebrated Swami Shraddhanand Ji's sacrifice day on 23rd December 2023 by organizing Yajna under the leadership of the school principal, Mrs. Anju Gambhir. Then various students of the school recited motivational slok related to Swamiji's life to pay homage to this great soul. At the end of the program, Mr. Sandeep Sharma highlighted the life of Swamiji, saying that Swami Shraddhanand was a great educator of India, freedom fighter and renowned saint of Arya Samaj, who promoted Swami Dayanand Saraswati's teaching. He established educational institutions like Gurukul, Kangadi University and played a significant role in organizing Hindu society.
Is requested to come upon and talk about miniature but charismatic efforts of Geeta Jayanti held in our school premises.
DAV Police Public School, Kathal, immersed in spiritual essence of Geeta Jayanti, celebrating the profound teachings of the Bhagavad Gita. The students showcased their devotion through activities like Shlok Ucharan and captivating performances from the essence of Gita ka Sar. Mrs. Anju Gambhir, the esteemed principal, extended her warm wishes to the students, applauding their dedication and exemplary efforts in bringing the teachings of the Bhagavad Gita to life. This celebration resonated with spiritual fervor, creating a memorable and enriching experience for everyone involved.
I would request Harshita to talk about grand cultural function organized in our school premises.
Culture Carnival Udariya at DAV Police Public School, Kathal. DAV Police Public School, Kathal hosted an amazing Culture Carnival Udariya filled with joy and enthusiasm. The event witnessed the lively participation of our little stars from nursery to second grade. The carnival showcased a vibrant mix of dance performances featuring the rich culture tapestry of Haryanvi, Rajasthani, Bhangra and delightful children's songs. The tiny tots lit up the stage with their energetic performances. Our worthy principal, Ms. Anju Gambhir, extended heartfelt congratulations to the proud parents, talented participants, dedicated staff members who made this culture extravaganza a resounding success.
Now, the students of class 9th are going to tell you about the views of parents on school's cultural carnival.
Good afternoon to all. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the Culture Carnival for junior classes. Are you excited to watch this function? What a wonderful crowd gathered here. Parents are so excited to watch the performance of their wards.
अच्छे टीचर अच्छा सिखा रहे हैं और पढ़ाई के साथ भी ये भी ज़रूरी है कि हमें बच्चों को आगे किस फैसिलिटी में किस उसमें जाएगा, गेम में जाएगा या कोई और फंक्शन में जाएगा, इससे बड़ा अच्छा पता चलता है। स्कूल का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, प्रधानाचार्य का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you.
Yes, I am very excited. Students are amazing.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ma'am, are you enjoying this function?
Yes, I'm enjoying a lot. I'm feeling very good and very excited to watch all the students performing.
इस उत्सव को देखकर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। छोटे छोटे बच्चे इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं और हमारे कल्चर के बारे में, संस्कृति के बारे में सीख रहे हैं। अच्छा लग रहा है।
सबसे पहले तो पूरे स्कूल को इस इतने बड़े फंक्शन के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। और मुझे ये फंक्शन देखकर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। और अभी जैसे हमारे बच्चों की परफॉर्मेंस, सभी अब हमारे बच्चे हैं और हर एक पेरेंट्स को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है अपने बच्चों की परफॉर्मेंस को देखकर। और इसको देखकर हमें भी अपने बचपन के दिन याद आ रहे हैं।
दिस इज़ सो एक्साइटेड। बच्चे भी बहुत एक्साइटेड थे इस फंक्शन के लिए, तो इट्स ब्यूटीफुल।
बहुत अच्छा फंक्शन हो रहा है, मतलब छोटे बच्चे को जिस हिसाब से करवाया गया है बहुत अच्छा लगा हमें।
Absolutely. Today my child performing first time in annual function. That was a very beautiful thing.
आपको फंक्शन देख के कैसे लग रहा है?
It's really very beautiful function, and your all efforts, all staff members' efforts is really very nice.
आज का फंक्शन आपको देख के कैसा लगा? आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
आउटस्टैंडिंग। इतने छोटे छोटे बच्चों ने जो इतनी प्यारी प्यारी सी प्रेजेंटेशंस दी हैं, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। और हम होप करेंगे कि भाई आगे भी इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज़ होती रहें स्कूल में, जिससे बच्चों का स्टेज फोबिया दूर होता है और उनमें कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप होता है।
थैंक यू मैम।
Now some sports news. Our school has achieved great awards also. To talk about that,
It's a great pleasure to share that our 35 students make their place in DAV National Sports. They showcased their talent in DAV Cluster State Games at different places and got their position. 4 boys in shooting, 3 boys in cricket, 3 boys in football, 1 girl in athlete, 9 boys and girls in basketball, 8 boys in handball are selected for national level. Our principal, Mrs. Anju Gambhir, extended her heartfelt congratulations to all the winners and showered them with blessings for bright future. Let's celebrate the spirit of sportsmanship and success.
comes the turn of Jasmine to tell us about the Veer Balidan Divas, a celebration of exemplary courage in school to imbibe good values in the students.
26th of December was celebrated as Veer Bal Divas in the campus of DAV Police Public School, Kathal. Tributes was paid to young martyrs who had sacrificed their lives for their country. To mark this day, an exhibition detailing the life story and sacrifice of Sahibzades was displayed in the school. An interactive quiz was also organized. A film of Veer Bal Divas was also screened. The celebration of this day aimed to inform or educate the children about the story of exemplary courage of Sahibzades and the children of last Sikh Guru Gobind Singh, who laid down their lives while defending their faith and country.
Now I would like to call Shitu from class 10th to tell you about the cricket and football tournament hosted by our school.
DAV Police Public School Kathal hosted DAV Cluster Games at the Police Lines ground, in which football and cricket tournaments were held. Various teams from Karnal, Jeend, Kathal, Nilokheri and Safidon participated in these games in under 14, under 17 and under 19 categories. These games brought outstanding results. Our under 14 and under 17 boys cricket team got first position, and also our under 14 football team got first position. Principal Mrs. Anju Gambhir extended her heartfelt congratulations to the winner and showers them with her blessings for their brilliant future.
Now it's time to tell you about the national sports news of our school.
We are thrilled to share a piece of exciting news that has brought immense pride to our school. Our very own 7th class girl Disha has achieved remarkable success in the field of judo. Disha's dedication and hard work have been rewarded as she has clinched 3rd position in the Sub-Junior National Games and a gold medal in Sub-Junior State Games, showcasing her exceptional talent. Our Honorable Principal Ma'am extended her heartfelt congratulations to Disha for her exceptional achievements.
As we step into 2024, let us not forget what 2023 has taught us and blessed us with. It is time to bid adieu 2023 and celebrate 2024. But before celebrating 2024, let us thank God for an amazing 2023. It is time to take along good memories and create some more beautiful ones. A very happy new year to all. May God keep all us healthy, happy and prosperous. Thank you all. We'll meet you soon with other new stories in 2024. Till then, stay tuned.